Hey guys, I'm Eric. I'm an engineer here at First Build, and this is our charcuterie box. The chamber, the refrigerator, it cures meats. So you may have seen our previous video on the charcuterie chamber where it didn't really work. It was just a prop that we had. It was used for some tech conference. So we decided to go to the next level. We made this one where it actually works. We started with a brand new wine chiller, took a bunch of stuff out of it, and threw in the mellow humidity system, and we're gonna see how it works. So in order to cure meat, you kind of have to meet a few different criteria. You gotta hit a certain temperature range between like 40 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and you gotta get your humidity level between 60 and 80% relative humidity. So to do that, we kind of have to tweak a few things. So we're running this wine chiller like normal. We got it at a 50 degree Fahrenheit set point. I'm monitoring the temperature and the current that's running through the unit to tell when the compressor turns on. And I'm using a sensor push meter to get the relative humidity and the temperature at different locations inside of it. So you might recognize a couple of the parts in here. I actually got the humidity system out of our Mela Smart Mushroom Grower. So I've got it running full out, the fans on full, just to try to get our maximum humidity set point. After that, we can tweak it as needed. This is gonna be my first time curing meat, so I don't really know what to expect. So I've got some nice pork tenderloin I'm gonna start with. I found a Lonzino recipe online that I'm really anxious to try. I've got all the ingredients and I'm shooting for about a month of cure time, and then I'll look in, check on it, and see what else we need to do. We might even try some cheese, see how it works in here. So it's got to sit in there for a week, then we'll take it out, rest it, put it in our charcuterie chamber for a month, and see what happens. While this one's sitting, curing some meat, and we're gonna give all that a try, we're going to actually develop a new prototype that has a more integrated temperature and humidity control. It's gonna be a little bit smaller form factor, and we're basically just gonna see what levers we can pull to get it a lot more professional looking and a lot more functional. Let us know if this is a project you want us to keep working on. If you want a small charcuterie chamber you can use at home. Meat curers out there, we could really use some advice. So if you got any tips or tricks, leave them in the comments below. And until then, see you next time.